What's up guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and today I'm making over President Trump's haircut. All right YouTube, so I'm doing this new series where I'm actually making over celebrities or high profile individuals with haircuts that I think will look good on them. So here we have President Trump, and he's known for his hair, and I have to tell you, okay, I have the best hair and it's real, okay, it's real, it's fantastic. But here, as you can see, is his hair, and you know, I want to recreate a new look for President Trump on a mannequin head, and then we'll show what his face looks like on the mannequin head at the end. This is the first time we're doing this, and I'm going to be creating a lot more of these series, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you the brand new President Donald J. Trump. All right guys, let's break down what I did on President Trump's hair. So basically, I narrowed down the sides and through here, taking it a little bit tighter and then blending it up on both sides, creating a nice, it's kind of a side part so we can have that very sophisticated look. Took down a lot of the top in through here, creating kind of like a side part. You could also go forward with it, added some volume in through here where, you know, it's still kind of as balanced, still looks professional. I think it also narrows down his head shape as well, which I think works well. And then I use my product pregame. Very simple, kind of sophisticated executive haircut. And here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like to see me make over another celebrity or sports player or whoever's hair, let me know in the comments below, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Share it. Let's make this go viral because I really feel great about this new series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.